Alrighty, for this problem, we are going to multiply f and g. So this is f, and this is g, and we are going to multiply them. So that will look like this. We're going to take f, which is a trinomial, multiplied by g, which is a binomial. So that's going to be f is x cubed minus 5x minus 1, and g is x plus 3. So we are going to multiply these two functions. This is f times g. In order to multiply these, you could use FOIL, but I'm going to use a box structure. I like it better for these kind of problems. So here's how the box structure looks. You have 3 terms by 2 terms. So I need to make a box that is a 3 by 2. So I'm going to go 2 this way and make it long this way by 3. You'll see in a second once I get this drawn. It's going to have 2 boxes tall by 3 boxes wide. This is a 2 by 3 box. I like the box with these kind of problems. They're just a little bit cleaner. I'm going to put this binomial on the 2 side and this trinomial on the 3 side. So this is going to be x plus 3 over here. You can put the plus there if you want. And then I have x cubed minus 5x minus 1. So I am again putting this one on top, this one on the side, and we're multiplying, which basically this box, that's what it's doing. It's creating a multiplication table. So how do we get this box? We are going to take x times x cubed. So x times x cubed, well, what you do is you add the powers. So that's a 1 power plus a 3 power. So that would be x to the 4th. For this one, x times negative 5x. It's just a multiplication table. X times x is x squared, and you have a negative 5 times a 1. So that would be a negative 5x squared. So next, x times negative 1. Well, that's just going to be negative x, or negative 1x. You could put either one. You put negative 1x or negative x. Bottom left corner, 3 times x cubed. 3 times x cubed is 3x cubed. 3 times negative 5x is the next one. 3 times negative 5x is negative 15x. And the last box is 3 times negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now, if we look at these, we are going to go from the highest power down, but we have to combine the ones that can be combined. So I start with the highest power. So out of these 6 boxes, can you tell this has the highest power? And does that have anything to combine with? No. So we're simply just going to write x to the 4th. Next, we look for the next highest power, which is a cube. Does this have anything to combine with? No, it's the only cubic box. So that's going to be a plus 3x cubed. Next, we have squareds. So nothing to combine with this one, so I just write that one now. So that's negative 5x squared. Next, we have x's. Ooh, I see 2 boxes with x's. I got to combine both of these. So a negative 1x and a negative 15x. Those are both x's, so we combine those. That would be negative 16x. Lastly, we put numbers, which there's nothing to combine with this, so that's all that's left. Interesting. We did not have a lot of stuff to combine. Sometimes you have a lot to combine, sometimes very little. This one did not have much. This is a 4th degree polynomial with a lead coefficient of 1. Always remember you want to start with the highest power and slowly work your way down.